Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, today my review is on M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum. M Caffeine products you can find so many like lotions, creams, oils, body polishes, scrubs, and also shampoos. Whatsoever, pick your favorite one. This is one of my favorite face serum. This M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum contain coffee and also white water lily. Coffee which will hydrate your skin, soothe your skin, tone your skin, and also give hydration property. And this white water lily which is used for fading away your dark spots. One of the main important thing here is it suits all your skin types. It will come in 40 ml bottle. Then see here, it's India's first caffeinated personal care brand. And then coming to its important thing is it is antioxidant rich. It gives sun protection. It also gives hydration to your skin. Okay, it is FDA approved, SLS free, dermatologically tested, and it is not tested on animals, and it is toxin free. Okay, coming here, one of the main thing is sun protection. You can also find sun protection in this face serum because of it is vitamin E. Because of vitamin E helps in harmful UV rays. Okay, next coming to its packaging, it's wonderful. See guys, it is one of the attractive box, I would say. Then it smells like amazing. We'll just open this product and see. Okay, open this. Okay, it is like this. It comes in glass bottle. We'll just open the bottle. Okay, whenever you open this bottle you can find the product. Please press here so that you can collect the product, and whenever again you press here you can have this product in dots. Okay, coming to its uses, how to use this face serum. Just take the product, just press this rubber button, just place into the bottle, press this one, and then remove the product. Again, if you want to collect the product from this glass bottle, you have to press here so that it will comes in drops. Okay, directly you can apply it on your face and rub on your face evenly. Okay, you can find like this. Okay, one of the main thing here is by this color you can have that matte finish to your skin. You can get that matte finish to your skin, and it also give good hydration. Okay, coming to its disadvantages, guys. Every product is more important, and you can find some of the disadvantages in this product is whenever you are using this products, be careful about its packaging because it comes in a glass bottle. Whenever if you are not handling it properly, there may be a chance of getting broken. So please be careful by this product. And also see, it is not so thin. You can find that this product is somewhat thick when compared to other face serums, so it will not come that much easy. One of the main disadvantages is, apart from that, it is one of the best serum, I would say, budget friendly, and you can also use this product before going to office. And one of the disadvantage is its sun protection. It contain very low sun protection, so better to use a sun protection before after applying this or before applying this whatsoever. That's your choice. lastly, I would say I would highly recommend this because it is one of the great products. Please do try it, and please comment on the comment box if you have any doubts. Thank you.